Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak your iOS 9.3.5 iDevice without PC. The reason why I wrote down every step is because it wasn't going to have any audio. So just read this page, and if you need, you may pause the video. And now I'm going to show you what you will find if you click the first link on the description. It will open a Google document and it will be online, and the text, it will be exactly what is written here until the last word, that is work, right? So now I'm going to pause the video and continue with my other device that is also a 9.3.5 iOS. You can see here that I got Cydia and it is running well, right? I'm not showing my general info because if I got Phoenix installed, and it's because I got a iOS 9.3.5. Okay. Hello guys, I'm back using my iPhone. As you can see, Cydia crashes and all other Cydia apps too. What you're gonna do, you need to access the first link on the description and get this text, right? I suggest you to download Tutuapp VIP free. I have already opened the link at my Safari. When it shows the Tutuapp icon, don't click on it, click on the alternative link. Then it will pop up this message, and then you click install, right? And it will start downloading on the Springboard. You can also open the Phoenix Jailbreak link that is also in the online document. I have also opened it on my Safari browser, and here is it. Just wait a little because I'm installing an app and then it gets a bit slow. Here you may see the Phoenix icon. You just tap download, right? And the same message to install, like Tutuapp, it's going to pop. Just wait that it will appear. Done. Click install. So now you got everything you need, right? Both of them are installing. I'm going to pause again the video, and when the two apps are installed, I'm going to show you where you need to trust. You need to go to settings, general, then device management, and it's not here yet because the apps are still installing. So I'm going to pause, and when it finishes I come back and show you. Hey, now that you got Tutuapp installed and Phoenix, you might open your settings, go to General, scroll down to Device Management, and the apps are here. In your case, it won't show delete apps, it will be written trust or something like that. You click and it will be verified exactly the same how is for me now. When you do it, you need to open Phoenix and then wait till the ad to pops up. Sometimes it don't pops, but that's it. It popped how I said. So you need to click kickstart jailbreak and then choose the first option. I'm not going to click because if I do it the video will stop recording. But this is the last step. For those who had any trouble accessing the link, I will do it so you can learn how it's easy. This is going to be in the description of my video, right? You click on this link. This is an shortcut site. You might have seen some sites like that, like Edgefly. You click to continue. I have already done the captcha box, so it automatically redirect me. So wait 6 seconds and click skip ad. It will open up a fake page. Just close it, go back to the page, skip ad again, and then you see docs.google.com with the file and the links, right? Thank you so much. If you got any questions, just comment in the video that I may answer.